How to check flight status. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can check the flight status. So without further delay, let's get started. For that you have to open up a browser and in the search bar search for FlightAware. That is FlightAware. Navigate to the first thing on your interface, that is www.flightaware.com. You will see this kind of interface. There is a search bar. Click on the search bar. Now you can search for the country or region. Once you search for it on your interface, you will find all the flights on your selected region. So from there, select the flight that you want to track. So if this is your flight, click on it and you'll be taken into next page where you have all of the real-time information regarding this flight and all the other details. And then you would also track this flight. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.